You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very useful expression from French, how to say maybe, or like perhaps in French. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. The French pronunciation here is peut-être. Peut-être, alright? Meaning, literally, it means peut means it can be. It means can be, literally, as in it could be, can be, peut-être. So, if you want to say maybe, if someone asks you a question, do you want to do this? Peut-être, maybe, perhaps, peut-être. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.